Welcome back to Calculated Education. Today we're taking a look at an SAT math practice problem. As I've stated before, and you've probably heard in other episodes, this is great practice for either the SAT or the ACT. So let's take a look at question 11 here. Donna bought a sofa with 0% interest for the first 36 months. She makes a small down payment and then she makes equal monthly payments until she pays off the sofa. The equation y equals 9x plus 75 models the number of payments x, so x is the number of payments she makes, for a sofa that cost y dollars. What does the 90 represent in this equation? All right, so there's two things we have to take into consideration here. We first know that 0% interest isn't going to play any role in our equation, and neither is the first 36 months. She pays it off within that time frame. So she knows she makes a small down payment. And if she makes a small down payment, that's going to be represented as some plus b, right? If we have mx plus b, usually that b stands for the initial starting point, right? So that 75, in this case, is going to be our initial starting point. And then she pays off in monthly increments, and x is the number of payments that she does, right? So in order for that to be the case, we are given an x value here and then 90. So if x is number of payments, and then we have here 75 is in units of dollars, 90 needs to be in the units of dollars per payment, right? Dollars per payment times payment gets me in just dollars, right? So let's take a look at our values or our options here. X or A, the total paid after X months. Now that would be Y. Y or B here, it says the payoff amounts for the loan. C is Donna's monthly payments, or D, Donna's down payment. So we know the down payment isn't the case. We know that's going to be equal to 75, right? The payoff amounts for the loan. No, total is y. We know that A isn't going to be right because the total is going to be y. But we do know it's going to be monthly payments because it's going to be number of dollars per payment, and that's the only thing that's not accounted for in this equation so far. All right. That's it for this practice question. Pretty straightforward. And if we look at it again, it says y equals 9x plus 75 models the number of payments x that she makes to pay for a sofa that cost y dollars. All right. If you have any other questions or want to see your questions answered, do not hesitate to reach out to calculatededucation@gmail.com. You can also sign up for sessions at the link below. Please like, subscribe, share this with your friends as you guys prep for the SAT and the ACT.